Every time I talk to you, I get smarter, so I'm looking forward to getting smarter at this.
I feel exactly the same.
Good.
Damien Riehl, solutions champion. Tell us, what do you do?
I build things and I talk about the stuff I built. With my really smart team. And so I vibe code. I've been vibe coding like crazy, and the ideation to production loop is just smaller and smaller. When I worked at Thomson Reuters, used to have to create a PRD, product requirements document. That would be a long time. And then, but right now the PRD is the code, where you put it in Cloud Code or something like it, and then it puts out pretty good code that I can throw to my production team and say, use this. Make it better if you want, or just get it out the door.
A lot of people are talking about and emphasizing the risks of moving at that speed. What do you say to those people?
I would say that it depends on what are the stakes. Yes, we should mitigate the risks according to the severity of the outcomes.
What is your most hated buzzword in legal tech right now?
Innovation. The draw the owl meme.
Yeah.
So the draw the owl meme, maybe 10 years ago, where there's how to draw an owl. You start with 2 circles. So pane 1 is to start with 2 circles. Pane 2 is a beautifully descriptive owl, and the meme says, draw the fucking owl.
Innovation was kind of designed to make sure we didn't waste resources on what we were building.
That's right.
In a world where that cost curve has collapsed.
That's right. Code is cheap.
That becomes an obstacle, right? Code is cheap. Legora this morning announced a $500 million raise. What are your thoughts?
Not going to cast aspersions, but everyone that does a raise has to say, what is my moat? I don't know the answer to that. What are my cases that are most profitable? What are my matters that are most profitable? And maybe I chase these areas of law rather than these.
Yeah.
So business of law and substantive law data, I think is the only moat.
Spicy.
You asked for spice. I did.
Minnesota or New York?
New York.
Ketchup or hot sauce?
Hot sauce.
AI bubble or the singularity?
The singularity. Have we talked about me talking Vatican about AI? So the pitch is that Sam Altman says we need to align AI with human values. And the pitch to the Vatican is saying, hey, we've got a lot of human values in the archive.
Yeah.
But how about you open them up and scan all the documents and give them to Sam Altman and Dario Amodei and everybody to be able to import some of that human values into the AI.
Love it.
And they're doing it now. So
are you Catholic?
I'm Catholic, yeah. My wife is Lutheran, so I sing at the Catholic church at 9 a.m. and then I go to the Lutheran church with my wife. So I've got my feet in both.
Yeah. I was raised Catholic. Yeah. That's very good. Yeah. Now you've really thrown me.
But anyway, so the singularity. So as legal services drop in price, which you and I have talked about, and not just legal services, but accounting services, and every consultancy is going to the cost is going to drop because of course it will, right? So if services drop and as products drop, then we'll have massive deflation in our economy. And so then with that massive deflation, maybe $1 that you and I have today will feel like $1,000, right? So in that world of abundance, what does that mean for access to justice? Everyone will know the law in this access to justice world, and $1 will feel like $1,000. That's our utopian singularity.
Yeah.
We of course also have a dystopian, hellhole.
Yeah.
So which multiverse we go down is up to us. But I'm really pushing with my Vatican work and with my Clio work and others to be able to really push us toward this one. Be the change you want to see in the world.
Yeah.
And today you can change more than you ever could in the past.
Yeah.